What's up, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and we are back with part 2 with Arabella Hair. If you've seen part 1, you've seen how I molded and styled my wig on the mannequin. As you guys can see, I'm still on my lock journey, and they're getting a lot longer and thicker, way thicker. So now I can't even put my stocking cap on and keep it moving. I have to use clips to clip my hair down. So I'm going to add 2 on each side. Alright, now that my hair is pinned down, I'm going to go ahead and put my stocking cap on. Now I'm going to take some Sea Breeze on my cotton swab and cleanse off any makeup or oil around my hairline. So then I take some spritz and spray the application area, and it really improves like the stickiness. Okay, so here's my wig, looking really cute, really flat. Once again, make sure y'all check out part 1 to see how I molded it on the mannequin. Alright, before I put it on, I'm going to show you guys these highlights. So it's like 4 big chunks in the front. At first I was scared because I thought it was going to look black, but it definitely doesn't. So I'm happy they stand out. Alright, small issue. This wig is definitely not big enough for my head. I didn't even know I had a big head, first of all. But I guess I'm just gonna try to finesse it. Okay. Okay. So now let's see how I'm going to glue this down. So because the sides don't even hit my skin, I'm definitely not going to even try to glue the sides down, because Lord knows I'm not getting this glue on my hair, especially with my locks. It's hard to get glue out, so look, I'm not even going to set myself up for the okie doke, okay? Alright, now that that's clear, I'm going to go ahead and stick this lace on. Alright, so I'm feeling a little baby hair action. But this lace is a little on the ashy side, so I might have to fix it with a little foundation. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the part while I'm at it. Alright, back to these baby hairs. I'm gonna cut these about 1 inch on both sides. So today I'm using Got To Be glue to lay my baby hair down, and I wouldn't say I have a preference between Gorilla Snot and Got To Be. I guess, I don't know, I guess I was just feeling this one today. Now for my favorite tool ever. Okay. That's different. Okay, definitely not the Rick Jane baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and restart these because that little red seed part I just had, no ma'am. Okay, now I'm doing something. These are more my style. So now I'm going to try this flyaway tamer stick. I've never used a stick to get rid of my flyaways. I only use spritz, but it's always good to use something new. Okay, the tamer stick is definitely not oily and I kind of like it. And I definitely just redeemed myself from them first baby hairs. So if you guys want to see how I did my face, make sure you tune into my makeup tutorial. See y'all later.